Hi, I'm Clover, and thanks for staying with us in the live show. Now you are watching with a tire and plastic pyrolysis plant. And now first let me introduce to you about our discount. And you will get $3,000 coupon if you take a screenshot of our today's live show. And if you already take a screenshot, please don't forget to click chat now and send the screenshot to our colleagues. Or you can contact our service manager you contacted before and send the screenshot to our sales managers. If you take a screenshot today, you will get $3,000. And if you have also took a screenshot last week, you can together get $5,000. If you are also watch the live show on January 13th, also please don't forget to send us the screenshot of the three live shows. Together you will get 8,000 coupon. So very big discount. Please don't forget to take a discount. Please don't forget to take a screenshot and get the discount. The coupon will be valid for 2 months. So if you plan to purchase the machine in 2 months, please don't forget to take the coupon. And by the way, you know nowadays the RMB is always depreciating and the USD is in appreciation, and the worker salary is getting higher and higher. Moreover, the steel plates cost is getting higher and higher. So these 3 reasons are driving us less and less profit. So we might have to increase our plant cost in February. So if you are planning to purchase this plant, you may order soon to get the limited offer for the current favorable price. Okay? And if you have any question for the order or for the machine, don't forget to click chat now to contact our service manager or to contact our sales manager. And now, just now, Coco has showed you in our demo factory about all the 6 parts, and the auto feeder, the reactor, the cooling system, the dedusting system, heating system, and carbon black discharging system. And today I will share with you in details about how to choose a suitable heating system and a suitable dedusting system. Okay? If you want more information, you can also click chat now for this document or for more information. And first I will share with you about the heating system. This is the heating system. You can choose underground or overground design. Both designs are okay. And you can choose natural gas, fuel oil, wood, or coal as fuel. And both the 4 fuels are all okay. For 10 tons per day per batch, you need about 400 cubic meter natural gas, or 1,000 kg wood, or 700 kg coal, or if you use fuel oil, tire fuel oil or plastic fuel oil, you need about 400 kg. So you may do a calculation and see which fuel is easy to get and low cost, and choose this fuel. Okay, and you can comment below and let us know where you are from and which fuel you plan to use. Okay, and if you choose underground, it has 2 advantages. First, it's easy to operate because the reactor is directly put on the ground, so the not very high, very easy for workers to feed and operate. And the second, it's because you don't need to dig to buy a ready foundation from Huayin. You can prepare that locally. Thus, you can save the shipping cost. That's an overground foundation needs one oversized 40 FR. So you can save this cost. Also, you can save the overground base cost, and you can also choose the overground based on your needs. The overground is quick to install, and because you see it's already complete. The furnace and the base are already manufactured complete in Huayin factory. So you just need to lift this foundation to the right place and then lift the reactor onto this foundation and connect the dedusting system, cooling system. You can operate it. No need to dig underground. So it's very easy. And in some countries, it's not allowed to dig. In some factories, the land condition may be not suitable. So this can save you this trouble. You don't need to worry about it. And it's also very easy to move. If you have a plan to move or relocate this machine to another place, to another workshop, then this overground base is perfect for you. You can easily move it to another place. And fourth, no need to do any civil work because all the civil work is already complete in Huayin factory. So this can save you the installation time. And you don't need to worry about finding good civil workers or worry about the high worker wages. But if you still don't have a clue about how to choose a right heating system, don't worry. Now I will ask you several questions, and then you will be clear about which design is suitable for you. First, you may consult our local environmental authority because in some countries, especially European countries and American countries, it's not allowed to dig underground. And so you may see whether it's allowed to dig underground or not. If allowed, you may choose the underground foundation. If not allowed, you choose the overground foundation. And second, the land conditions. You may see your workshop to see whether your land is soft or hard or firm. If the land is too soft, then over time the reactor will go down and down. Then because it's connecting to other parts, then it will not work well, and the connecting pipes may easily get damaged because the reactor is very heavy, about 20 tons, and every day you feed 10-ton materials. So the land must be hard and firm. And also, you may see the underground water level. If it is deep, you may choose the overground you may dig underground. If the underground water level is not deep, then it's better to choose the overground foundation. We have one Egyptian client, underground 1.5 meter is water, so definitely he only can choose overground foundation. And the third, you may see your installation schedule. Is this project urgent or not? If not, you may choose to dig underground. If it's urgent, then it's better to choose the overground foundation. The civil work needs about 7 to 10 days. If your workers are not familiar, or you have only you only have several workers, then it may be longer. And fourth, you may see whether it's easy for you to find skilled workers or not, and is the worker wage high or low? If it's easy for you to get skilled workers and the cost is low, then it's better for you to dig underground. If it's not easy to find skilled workers and the wage is high, then no need to trouble. You can choose the overground foundation. And if you choose the underground foundation, we will also send you the fireproof bricks and other materials for the furnace for you to prepare the underground foundation yourself. And we will also send you the 3D drawing for this foundation. You can, if you are familiar with this, you can do this yourself. If you are not familiar, you can wait until our engineer arrives. That's all okay. And that's all about our heating system. So may I know which country are you from? And also you can click chat now and share these 4 aspects information with us for us to choose a suitable foundation for you. Okay? And thanks for watching this live show with the tire and plastic pyrolysis plant. Now we are just now introduced the heating system, and we will continue and introduce the dedusting system. And first, let's look at the working principle. You can see here. After feeding, we will close the feeding door and using fuel to heat the machine. Then the flue gas will come out from the gap between the reactor insulation cover and the inner boiler part and goes up. If this goes up directly to the air, it will cause environmental pollution. So we add a dust removing system here to clean the smoke and to neutralize the sulfur in the flue gas. So in that way, only clean gas will go out from the chimney, meeting your local environmental standards. Because you know this plant is waste to oil recycling project. Its aim is to reduce the pollution caused by tire and plastic. So it's very, very important not to cause secondary pollution. So the dedusting system is very, very important. And we, over the past 27 years, we have several dedusting systems. And now 3 types, among these types, several types are very popular. Now I will introduce to you one by one. First is the water film design. This design is very cost effective, but very practical. The flue gas will go out from here and then be cooled down here by the jet flue, and then it will go to the dedusting system and be cleaned by the high pressure nozzles. There are several layers of high pressure nozzles which will spray high pressure atomized water film, which will press down the impurities. When the flue gas goes up, the dirty things in the flue gas will go down, and the acid in the flue gas will be neutralized by the alkali water. And then the dirty things and the water will go through the 3-stage dedusting water pool, and first it will go to this stage, and then because alkali is added in the water pool, so over time the dirty things will go down, and only cleaner water goes to the 2nd stage, and still dirty things go down, and much cleaner water goes to this stage. So in this water pool, it is already very clean and can be recyclable for use again to the dedusting system. In this way, this dedusting pool is only adding water and no emission, so no secondary pollution, and this dedusting system only for clean gas goes out, meeting your environmental standards. And this system is very suitable for wood, coal, and natural gas. So if you use these 3 types of fuel, you may choose this design. Very good effect. So may I know which country are you from and what fuel do you plan to use? You may comment below or leave messages or click chat now and send more information to our colleagues so that we can send you more information about the system. And this is all for the type 1. And now let's look at a video for this system. This system is installed in Lithuania. Now you see the plant is running. Now let's see the emission effect. The chimney will soon appear. You see here, nothing coming out. And we check it in details here. You see, very clean. This Lithuanian client uses natural gas as fuel, so this simple dedusting system would work very well. And you can see in the Lithuania, the sky is very blue, and it's a European country. The environmental standards is very strict. So, but even despite this water film system work very well. Okay, and if you choose this 3 fuel, you can use this system. And now let's look at the type 2 design, the 5.5 meter stainless steel ceramic system. And this design not only has the water sprinkler, but also has the ceramics inside each layer to absorb the solid impurities. So the dedusting effect is very, very good. Even if you use fuel, it works very well. Let's look at a video of our South African client. You see here, the client uses tire fuel oil as fuel, but still nothing coming out from the chimney. It works very, very well. So if you use fuel oil as fuel, don't hesitate to choose this design. It's not only popular in Asian and African countries, but also very popular in European countries. We have Czech client and Turkey client and many other European clients using this design. And this system is suitable for all the fuel types. And let's look at the details. You can see from this picture that it has several layers, and at each bottom, at the bottom of each layer, it has high pressure water nozzles high pressure water nozzles will spray the atomized water to press the impurities in the flue gas. So only clean flue gas can go up. And here also the ceramic rings will be placed on each layer. So when flue gas goes up, it can only go through these ceramics and this can help absorb the solid impurities and absorb sulfur. So it is very, very clean. And here the stainless steel material can better stand corrosion because the acid from the flue gas may cause some corrosion and affect your dedusting system's service life. So we specially choose stainless steel for this system. And so let's have a conclusion. To summarize, it not only has the water sprinkler, but also has the ceramics to absorb impurities and to absorb sulfur. And its stainless steel can help ensure that its long service life, no matter which fuel you use. And that's all for this stainless steel 5.5 meter ceramic design. And if you use fuel oil, please don't hesitate to choose this one. And the third design is the third type is the denitration and desulfurization design. It is the most strict and the most advanced dedusting system. It can meet the most strict and national standards, no matter which country you are from. And now we see a video first. This is the Albanian client. He uses the fuel oil coming out of the oil sludge for the dedusting. And you see here nothing coming out. And nothing coming out. This is very, very good. And we can also see the air emission report here. It is from the on-time, real-time air emission testing system. So the first number is the data from the system, and the second number is the national standard. So you see here, both is 0, the SO2, and here the NOx. You see here, from the system it's 17.7, but the national standard is double, it's 36.7, and here the flue gas from the system is 31.7, but the national standard is double. So that means our dedusting system is better than the national standard. It even exceeds the national standard. So if your country's EPA is very, very strict about the environmental emission, you may choose this design. It is suitable for any fuel. No matter you use natural gas, wood, or coal, or fuel oil, it can ensure this good effect. And you don't have to worry about the emission, because we have several provincial environmental authorities in China coming to visit Huayin factory, and they saw the air emission result, and they were very satisfied. They say it's okay. So China's emission in standard now is very, very strict, even stricter than many European countries. So it means China environmental standards. So you don't have to worry about anything. And that's all about today's dedusting system. And now you've seen the 3 types. You may click chat now or leave messages and let us know which country you are from and which fuel you plan to use. And you can share with us your local environmental standard so that we can recommend a suitable dedusting system and a suitable heating system for you, okay? And that's the last live show we have before the Chinese traditional New Year. And so have a nice day, and we will keep you updated of our next live show. So see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.